Hi guys, in this video we will see how to delete or clear chat history in your ChatGPT app or browser. If you want to delete or clear chat history in your ChatGPT, then here are the process. First launch ChatGPT and you must log in to ChatGPT. And thereafter click on your profile icon just located at bottom left corner. Click on it. Here click on settings. Here scroll down and you will find data controls. Click on data controls. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and you will find the option delete all chats. Click on delete all. A pop-up window will appear. Clear your chat history. Are you sure? This will delete all chats including chats in progress. To clear any memories from your chats, visit your setting. Click on confirm deletion. That's